welcome to the channel, Greenhorn Barbecue Beer. I'm Todd. Deborah, Sassy Kitchen Queen, is behind the camera.
Hello.
We're glad you guys can make it. It's a beautiful day here on the West Coast, Southern California, and we're here in the backyard, and we're going to do a Greenhorn bacon cheeseburger with chili. So today we have our Camp Chef Griddle. We bought it brand new. Haven't really used it much, but we got it for camping. Today it's going to play double duty and show you guys a quick way of making a really delicious cheeseburger if you're out camping, so stick around. So we're going to just show you some of the ingredients we're going to use here. We've got a little bit of balsamic vinegar and avocado oil to help caramelize the chilies and onions on the griddle. I'm also going to fry up a few pieces of bacon. Wow, you're getting close. And got a little bit of butter for the buns, of course. Got to butter your buns. I mixed up a really nice, zesty mayonnaise-based sauce here with a little bit of Killer Hogs barbecue rub and a little bit of relish and a little bit of garlic paste, and it's really delicious. Got some fresh tomatoes, some red lettuce, got some nice hamburger buns, and I'm going to use American cheese, basically, because it melts really beautifully. You can use any cheese you want, but today we're going to use American cheese. And I'm going to use an 80-20 ground beef, and I'm going to mix in some hot pork sausage to give it a really good zing. And the thing about picking out a good ground beef is be sure you get yourself a package where it's obvious that they've sent that thing through a meat grinder. When you buy the tubes, you really don't know what you're getting. You don't know what you're seeing inside there, and it's mushed up, and it's really compact. And really the key to a good burger are all these little nooks and crannies that you see here, so you can get that really good sizzle and juicy flavor in there. First thing I'm going to do, is because I'm dealing with a lot of pork and stuff, is I'm going to get some gloves on here. And I'm going to get the bacon ready. So I've got the griddle top on medium. And I'm going to go ahead and get this bacon going. While that bacon's going, I'm going to go ahead and get the meat going. Okay. All right. Okay, just a few pieces of bacon, all I need. And I'm going to go, I'm not going to put in all the sausage. I'm just going to put in some of it. And we're just going to mix it up there. I'm going to put a little bit of this Killer Hog steak rub in here. Again, the best way to do this is make your patties the night before, put them in the shape that you want, and let them set up overnight. Okay, so now that I got the meat ready, I'm going to go ahead and put it into a couple patties. And don't smash it too much. I'm actually going for the smash look. And I'm just going to make 2 patties here. Well, actually looks like I got enough for 3. Okay, since this is a Greenhorn smash burger, it's okay to have some nooks and crannies in there. That's what you want. You're going to get some really nice grilling going on there, some nice texture and stuff. And that's all I need. There we go. A little bit of oil. We're going to get some chilies going. Oops. And a little bit more on these. Oh, a little bit of vinegar. Right there. So if you guys have never done your onions like this, you gotta do it. So you want to cook them down until they start getting translucent. Don't be afraid of that oil. The meat's going to tell you when it's done. What you're looking for is the gray come up the side here, and then when the burger releases itself from the surface, that's when it's ready to flip. You don't want to touch it. At least that's not how we're going to do it. So these onions are looking really good. And that's kind of all it needs for this particular camp chef. So I'm just going to let them go like that. This burger is starting to look really good. Unfortunately, my camera's shut off because of the heat, but what I'm going to do here, I'm going to put 2 pieces of American cheese on it. Some onions are doing really well. I went ahead and put on 2 more burgers. Oh, it's good. All right. So I apologize for some strange editing. My phone shut off automatically because of the heat. It was either the sun or the griddle, but I have a black case. It's an Otter case, and so I think it's just making that Samsung a little too hot. So I apologize for any strange editing. We'll try to clean it up, after we produce. Something more on there. So it's ready to build these things. And I always say the first thing you do before you build anything, you have a cool beverage.
Yeah.
I'll take the first grilled bun that I have here, take a little bit of that sauce. Actually, not just a little bit.
Oh, it looks good.
Be generous, don't be stingy. Okay. Then we're going to take some red lettuce and make a nice little bed there, kind of shape it. That sauce really makes it stick. It's like glue. Take a fresh tomato. There we go. See how that cheese made a nice little crust? Lay that on top. A little bit of caramelized onions and peppers. And then a little bit of bacon. Voila. Okay, that, folks, is a Greenhorn bacon cheeseburger with onions and peppers and sausage. So all there is to do now is cut this baby open. Alright, here we go. There we go. Nice medium. That's okay. So medium is actually perfectly for Deb and I, because Deb can't really eat medium rare. She needs to have something a little bit more well done. All right, everybody. Thanks again for watching. We're going to go ahead and eat this burger, and I'm going to cook up some more for the rest of the family. Thanks again for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell so you'll get notified. And share the barbecue love.